we had a set of core values in the marketing team, right? And those values were values of creative excellence, innovation, and frugality, right? So we said that, look, if our creative is good, we don't need to spend 20 crores behind it. It is likely to act like 10 crores if I put 5. If my message is sharp, if my creative is good, if it can move people, I will get the same effect with much lesser dollar. And some of the things that we focused on were a very, very sharp positioning. Often marketers make a mistake of treating communication as a newspaper. Newspaper has a large set of information. Advertising is not supposed to be informative alone. It is supposed to be informative and entertaining. That's why we say infotainment, right? You can't put 20 messages in one commercial. It just loses its sharpness. Second is, there is a famous saying in advertising which says that, I know 50% of my advertising dollar is wasted. I don't know which 50%. And the reason that happens is that in most, hotly contested categories, if X puts some dollars, consumers think that it's coming from Y brand, which is called misattribution. The way we broke that was our kids as grown-up adults device. People uniquely knew the moment they saw the kidults device that, hey, listen, this is a Flipkart app. So pushing for creative excellence was one value. Second was frugality, which is essentially how can you make 1 rupee seem like 5 rupee? And I think I have perhaps 50, 60 examples, but I will maybe talk about 2, 3. So one example, which a lot of marketeers, if they are on the call, will relate to, that very often we find it difficult to figure out कि social media spends को कैसे evaluate करें.
Yeah.
So what we used to do was that every social media activity, we used to plot them on a 2x2. The y-axis used to be engagement rate, and the x-axis used to be cost of reach. The other way of defining them is that y-axis is effectiveness, whether it's giving you the output, and the x-axis is whether it's giving you the right efficiency.
Right.
And we will soon, over the 6-month period, figure out which creatives are both effective and efficient and start dialing down on them. A great example of, learning how to get the more out of less.
Yeah.
The other thing that we do, and I'll give you a completely different example on performance marketing, right? Like, for instance, mobile installs. We plotted every single mobile install from different sources on another 2x2, where we had average revenue per install on one axis and cost per installs on the other. Same, effectiveness, efficiency.
Yeah.
And we figured out which of the sources maximize both effectiveness and revenue, which means and efficiency, which means they come at a lower cost and they give you more revenue over the next 14-day period.
Very nice.
Or what we also did was that for every category, we had a plot of SEM money along with the RPC, which is revenue per cost. And we saw that for every category, there was a threshold period where it maximized, and after that, you got diminishing returns. So we figured out that even though the SEM spends of our competition was 4x of us, they got only 20% more revenue. So we stopped at X. We didn't go to 4x. It made sense for us to work on, right?
Yeah.
So, and tons of these examples. I don't want to talk more about it, right? And on innovation, right? And I think that's the other part that we were like, we were really pushing the boundaries. I think at one point in time, probably half the innovation lineup of a Google and Facebook were used to be first launched with Flipkart in India. At some point in time, we were directly working in many cases with their global teams, because we were confident that to launch a product and test pilot, this is the team to work with. One of my favorite example is how we took personalization to another level, where we actually made not 1, but 2, but 3, but actually 3 million, which is 30 lakh personalized video assets, which reached out to you with a message and reached out to me with a different message, right? And this improved our conversion by about 45%. So, by focusing on excellence of the picture, which appeal to people, by focusing on frugality measures that maximize effectiveness and efficiency,
Mhm.
And by focusing on continuously doing new things,
Yeah.
push the envelope and challenged, why can't it be done this way?
Yeah.
We made X dollars seem like 3X dollars. And even though Amazon was spending 4X,
Yeah.
we got really, really, really close to them and never quite lost the battle.